Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Murano key fob battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. A clean, well-lit workspace is crucial for this task. You might also want a soft cloth to protect your key fob from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation makes the entire battery replacement smooth and easy. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. It should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into its compartment. To reassemble, simply align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If everything operates as expected, you're all set. For more great tips and resources, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for this and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.